Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel channel, and I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn giveaway. And they are doing a new special on Knit Crate, which is the $14.95.99 per month, and you get one skein of yarn. Also, if you look in their categories, you can look under yarn and look at all their yarns they have available, as well as patterns, which are paid for patterns, but they do give you cards monthly with patterns that you can look up. That's part of their membership. Also on my Etsy store, Amy's Creative Creations, I have crochet patterns PDFs and vintage patterns PDFs and digital thank yous and gift cards and calendars and products if you'd like to take a look. Also, on my blog, amyscrochetpatterns.com, you can go to my new categories listed, click on it. Most of all my patterns are free with videos. Just go right to patterns. And I just want to say congratulations to Donna. And I just need you to contact me with my email. It's listed down below. I need your address, and I will send this out to you as soon as I get your address. Thank you everybody for subscribing and participating, and thank you for watching.